Welcome to this tutorial on managing taskbar notifications for WhatsApp on your PC. If you're like many of us, you probably use WhatsApp daily to stay connected with friends and family. However, managing notifications can sometimes be overwhelming, especially when it comes to the taskbar notification badges. Today, we're going to show you how to customize these notifications to fit your needs perfectly. First, let's open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on the gear icon, which is located at the bottom of this menu. This will take you to the settings page. Now click on the notifications option. Here, you'll find various settings that allow you to customize how WhatsApp notifies you. Scroll down to the section labeled Show Taskbar Notification Badge. This is where you can decide when you want to see those little badges on your taskbar. For many of us, it's useful to see notifications only when the app is open. This helps keep your taskbar clean and clutter-free when you're not actively using WhatsApp. So under Show Taskbar Notification Badge, choose the option that says Only when app is open. This way, you'll only see the notification badges when you have WhatsApp open, which can be really helpful in minimizing distractions. By choosing this option, you ensure that your taskbar remains tidy and focused on the apps you're currently using. It's a simple tweak that can make a big difference in your productivity and overall desktop experience. If you're experiencing any issues with notifications, remember to check your Windows settings as well. Ensure that WhatsApp notifications are enabled in your Windows notification settings, and that Focus Assist or Battery Saver isn't blocking them. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully customized your WhatsApp taskbar notifications to show only when the app is open. This should help you stay organized and focused on what matters most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.